Okay, let's take you live to Brampton right now, where Provincial Health Minister Sylvia Jones is making an announcement. Let's listen live.
To be able to work with Charmaine, both in caucus and as a cabinet colleague. I also want to acknowledge the healthcare partners that have joined us from Roots Community Services, LAMP Community Health Centre, and the Canadian Mental Health Association. Thank you all for what you do to build healthy communities right here in Peel and across Ontario. Under the leadership of Premier Ford, our government has taken bold, innovative action to build a healthcare system that puts Ontarians at its heart. Through our government's Your Health Plan, introduced earlier this year, we are making healthcare more connected and convenient to improve the healthcare experience for Ontarians of every stage of life for years to come. We have launched the largest medical school expansion in over 15 years, adding new undergrad and residency positions at every single Ontario medical school, and of course, building a new medical school right here in Brampton. We are getting shovels in the ground for nearly 60 hospital redevelopment projects that will add over 3,000 additional hospital beds across the province over the next 10 years. This includes, of course, continuing to support the excellent work that is happening at the Peel Memorial Hospital with their expansion. Our government is also expanding access to primary care across the province by adding 18 new interprofessional primary care teams to connect you to more convenient care. This is the first expansion in primary care in multidisciplinary teams since their inception. Today, to continue our government's work on our plan to provide more Ontarians with the right care in the right place in their community, I am very pleased to announce that our government is investing $25 million to create the Peel Black Health Hub. This new hub opening next year will be a full-service location for Black individuals and families in the region to conveniently connect to healthcare and social services in one place close to home. The hub will connect clients with a team of primary healthcare, mental health, and social service professionals to address all aspects of their health and well-being. Healthcare services provided at the hub will include maternal and infant health, chronic disease prevention and management, seniors' health and wellness, and mental health supports, with a special focus on prevalent diseases that disproportionately impact Black, African, and Caribbean communities, such as sickle cell disease. The hub will also work with social service organizations to find opportunities to increase access to support services such as housing, employment, and legal aid. The Peel Black Health Hub was co-designed by the residents of Peel, where 20% of Ontarians' Black, African, and Caribbean communities live. Thank you to everyone who contributed to the Hub's creation, including the many health organizations that have worked together on this important initiative, many of you who have been able to join us here today. Our government knows that for far too long, too many Ontarians have spent too much time navigating the health system. Ontarians have had to travel too far to get care and have spent too much time trying to navigate a complicated and disconnected healthcare system. That is exactly why we are connecting communities across Ontario to the healthcare and community supports they need closer to home, no matter where you live. In addition to opening this hub, our government is also finding ways to work with Ontario's Black communities to increase access for screening of prevalent illnesses such as breast cancer, diabetes, and hypertension. This includes creating more clinics for Black communities across Ontario that will help improve healthcare experiences and health outcomes for Black Ontarians, and will provide healthier communities across Ontario. Supporting the creation of the Peel Black Health Hub is another way our government is better connecting people to the care they need closer to home. Thank you again to all the organizations and individuals who have played a role in supporting and creating this innovative new hub, and who contribute to building a healthcare system that better supports the needs of the communities they serve in Peel and across Ontario. It's now my pleasure to invite Minister Williams, Associate Minister of Women's Social and Economic.
Okay, the announcement there by Health Minister Sylvia Jones about the Peel Black Healthcare Hub taking place in Burlington, talking about maternal infant care, seniors and chronic diseases, along with mental health issues to all help more members of the Black community get better and equal access to healthcare.